Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out which Android OS versions are supported by the respective APK file in Windows PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I have two APK files on my desktop home screen. So let me show its properties. So you can see here it's a .apk file, as you can see. So in order to find out which Android OS versions are supported by this respective APK files, what you need to do is just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click here and visit to this website link. And after that you can see on the right side releases, just click on it. Now just below the assets you can see here one file name with the apk info.zip. So you need to download this file. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to extract this zip file. Now just open the extracted folder. Now we'll see the second file, apk info. Just double click on it. Now just select the apk file and click on open. So finally you can see here the various informations about this APK file. So here you can see here the minimum Android OS version that this APK file is supporting is Android 5, and the maximum Android OS version is up to the Android 14. So you can see here this APK file supports from Android 5 till Android 14. So we have found this respective Android OS versions supported by this respective APK file. So similarly you can do the same thing with other APK files. Just click on open and select the other APK file, click on open. So now you can see in this case the minimum is the Android 9 and it's supported till the Android 15. So by using this application named as APK info, you can easily find out which Android OS versions are supported by the respective APK file in Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.